In this short video, I'll show you how to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting Reels. Have you ever posted an awesome Reel on Instagram only to realize you forgot to add a collaborator? Adding a collaborator can significantly boost your reach and engagement, exposing your content to a wider audience. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar Instagram issues, including mastering Reels and understanding the latest features. Stay with me until the end to discover how to see who is watching your Instagram profile. Now, let's get started on how to invite collaborators even after your Reel is live. Unfortunately, Instagram currently doesn't have a built-in feature for adding collaborators after a Reel has been posted. While this can be frustrating, especially if you've put a lot of effort into creating high-quality content with a partner. However, don't worry. There are some effective workarounds that can help you achieve a similar outcome. The first option is by tagging the collaborator. Tagging them helps to ensure they are recognized as part of the content, increasing visibility and potential engagement from their followers. To do this, head over to your Instagram profile and find the reel you want to edit. Tap the 3 dots at the bottom right of the reel and select Edit. Tap Tag People. Search for your collaborator's username and tag them in the reel. You can also tag them in the caption, explaining their contribution to the reel. But remember, after tagging a collaborator in the reel, they may need to confirm the tag for maximum visibility. Another way is to ask for a repost. A repost is when your collaborator shares the reel directly to their feed, which can help extend its reach and engagement to a wider audience. To do this, reach out to your collaborator and ask them to repost the reel on their feed. This will help expose the content to their followers as well. Make sure they credit you as the original creator in their caption. But for better success, you may need to use third-party apps like Repost for Instagram if needed. You can also request the collaborator to share the reel to their story. Sharing a story makes the content more discoverable and can provide a quick boost in views and engagement. To do this, ask your collaborator to share your reel on their Instagram story. While stories disappear after 24 hours, they still reach a large audience. They can do this by tapping the paper aeroplane icon below your reel and selecting Add Post to your story. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with how to invite collaborators to Instagram when not showing. As a last resort, you can delete and re-upload the reel. If you absolutely need to have the reel appear as a collaboration on both profiles, your last option may be to delete the original reel and re-upload it, adding the collaborator before posting. Deleting and re-uploading gives the reel a fresh start, making it appear as new content. This can potentially attract new viewers and boost initial engagement. However, remember that you'll lose all the likes, comments, and views from the original reel if you choose this method. While it resets engagement metrics, it ensures the collaboration feature is used properly. While it's not ideal that Instagram doesn't currently allow adding collaborators after posting, these workarounds can help you maximize the reach and impact of your collaborative content. But how do you measure success by knowing if people actually visited to watch the reel? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to see who visited your Instagram profile. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.